Dear students, in last lecture we have seen up to just what is the principle of a capacitor. Now we'll see in detail how on which principle the capacitor it will be work. So we know that the principle for a given size of the capacitor, the way of increasing the capacitance, how will you increase the capacitance is that is by lowering or decreasing the potential without altering the charge on the conductor. So by decreasing the potential on the conductor, then we can increase the capacitance, but without altering the charge on that conductor. So for that we will see the explanation. So here how to decrease the potential, that we'll see. So let us consider a metallic plate A I have taken. So on this metallic plate A, the charge Q is given, that is a positive charge. So for this positive charge Q is given. A metallic plate or a conductor A we have taken, for which the positive charge Q is given. So when the charge is given, the positive charge Q is given to this metallic plate A, then potential rises from 0 to certain value. That potential on this plate I have considering that is a V. V is a potential on this metallic plate A. And C is the capacitance of this metallic plate A. C is the capacitance. So we know a relation between C, Q and V. C is equal to Q upon V. Then what is the charge on this metallic plate A? C is equal, Q is equal to C into V. Now means at this potential V, this metallic plate holds the charge only Q. That means at this potential V, this metallic plate A cannot hold or cannot store the charge more than this amount of Q. So this point we have to note down. At this potential V, this metallic plate A cannot hold or cannot store the amount of charge Q. Now we have taken another metallic plate B, but that is uncharged. This is a positively charged plate A. Now we have taken one uncharged metallic plate B, which is placed parallel to the metallic plate A and which is placed near to this metallic plate A. So we know already the induction effect. So due to this positive charge, an equal amount of negative charge it is induced on inner surface of the metallic plate B. Now as this metal plate B is uncharged initially, due to that an equal amount of positive charge also induced on outer side of this metallic plate A. So due to induction effect, the inner surface it is induced due to this positive charge. Already we have discussed in first chapter, due to induction effect always the opposite charge is induced on the conductor. So here positive charge is given, so that's why it is opposite charge it is induced. As it is uncharged initially, that's why the outer surface also equally induced, but this is outer surface, that's why whatever the charge it is given here, the same amount of charge it is induced on the outer surface. Now this the induced negative charge A, due to this induced negative charge on the inner side of metallic plate B, due to this the potential on this metallic plate A decreases. Due to this induced negative charge on metallic plate B, the potential on this metallic plate A decreases. But whereas due to this positive induced charge on B, the potential it will be increases. So this point I will write, this is important. Due to negative induced charge, potential on A decreases. Due to positive induced charge, potential on A increases. So here, by lowering the potential without altering the charge, so here potential it can be increases on A and potential can be decreases, both are possible. But here, which induced charge is very near to this positive charge? That is due to this negative charge. That's why which charge is very near to this charge, that effect it will be more. So here finally, due to this negative charge, the potential on A will be decreases. Even due to this it will be increase, it is not considerable. Why? Because this charge is away from this positive charge. So negative charge is very near to this metallic plate A. That's why this effect is more on this metallic plate A. So what is this effect? Due to this negative induced charge, potential it will be decreases on this metallic plate A. So here finally the the potential on A it will be decreases. Now this is a positive charge. Sorry. This is a negative induced charge, metallic plate A, metallic plate B. Now this positive induced charge, it is outer surface of B. Now this outer surface we are connecting to the earth. This one we called earthing. The outer surface of metallic plate B, it is connected to the earth. So when it is connected to the earth, this total induced positive charge gets neutralized. So now, while the induced negative charge on inner side of B is held by the attraction of a positive charge on A. So I hope you understood. This negative charge it is completely neutralized due to earthing, but this negative induced charge it is strongly held by the attraction on the positive charge of metallic plate A. So finally, due to this negative charge, potential on A it will be decreases. Hence, capacitance of this conductor or metallic plate A it will be increases. Capacitance increases means what does it indicate? The capacity of storing the charge is increased by lowering the potential of this conductor or metallic plate A. Or this is a one way to increase the capacitance of this conductor. In another way also we can increase. What is that? The capacitance can be further increased by filling the space. So here the space between these two metallic plates it will be filled by some another medium. Now what is the medium between these two plates? That is generally we have considered either air or vacuum. So apart from this air or vacuum, whatever the medium if you take, then in that case also the capacitance of this conductor it will be increase. So finally, what is the principle of the capacitor? Here we can write this is the principle. Also in another way also we can write the principle. The principle of capacitor is to increase the capacitance of the conductor by bringing an uncharged conductor near to it, and earthing the outer surface of this uncharged conductor like shown in this figure. So this is the way to increase the capacitance of the capacitor. Now we'll see most important